What is one potential environmental problem you could see developing when using a greased or oiled linear ball bearing system in an application that is fully submerged in ocean water? You guessed it, the greases and oils from the bearings can leach into the sensitive underwater ecosystem, which is exactly why the company Remotion came to igus. Remotion develops advanced underwater robots that scrape, vacuum, clean, and apply new layers of corrosion protection to the hulls of ships. One solution could have been to utilize heavy steel ball bearings which rely on greases or other lubrication systems for proper functionality. But what good is a robot designed for environmentally conscious tasks if the robot itself uses components that can actually damage or pollute the surrounding environment? The answer was to not use linear ball bearings and instead use clean, dry-running, maintenance-free drylin linear actuators based on plain bearing polymer technology. By using these, igus was able to offer Remotion 4 clear advantages. Firstly, our systems are made with lightweight aluminum guide rails and shafts and are roughly 3 times lighter weight than steel or stainless steel. Secondly, our anodized aluminum is more corrosion resistant than steel, even some stainless steels, and it is an important factor to consider when working in a saltwater environment. Thirdly, drylin linear guides and actuators do not require any downtime and reduce maintenance costs since they do not require external lubrication. Fourthly, and most importantly, since our linear systems do not require messy oil or greasy lubricants, they do not pollute the surrounding ocean environment. If you'd like to learn more about how you can save time and money with more environmentally friendly products, please click the link below and go zero with drylin.